Hey everybody, Jake Rockwell here with the Rockwell Group eXp Realty in Southern Oregon. Wanted to talk a little bit about multiple offer situations and a strategy that we like to use to help our clients edge out other offers. And obviously inventory is still low, interest rates are low, there's still a lot of demand in the market. There's multiple offers happening, and even with all that's going on in the world right now. And so one of the worst things that can happen is a hot new listing comes on the market, you really want to buy it, you offer full price, great strong offer, and then you get beat out by another higher offer or a better offer. And one of the greatest rewards for me and the agents on our team is to help our clients get their offer accepted in those multiple offer situations. So a tool that we like to use is what's called an escalation clause. And it's basically an addendum that goes along with your offer that states that, hey, we're offering X, but we are willing to pay this much more than the highest offer you receive on a property up to a certain point. And so, for example, house is priced at $300,000. It's a hot new listing, and you know that there's going to be competition. There's going to be multiple offers, or there already is, and you want to offer $300,000 for the house, but you don't want to miss out on it if another offer comes in at $305,000 or $303,000 or something. And so you could do an escalation clause that basically says, hey, we're offering $300,000, but we're willing to pay $1,000 more than the highest offer you receive on your property, up to a certain point, and as long as the terms are similar. So in that situation, if another offer does come in, all they've got to do is prove that they did get another offer. So if another offer came in at $303,000, you're basically stated that you're willing to pay $304,000, giving the seller more money in their pocket, giving you a much better opportunity of getting your offer accepted without just blindly offering $305,000 or $310,000, not knowing where the other offer might come in at. So great tool to use to help edge out other competing offers on a property that's in high demand. And so if you or anybody you know are looking to purchase in the next 6 months, the next 12 months, we'd love an opportunity to be able to help you not miss out on a property. So thanks, have a great day, give us a call if we can help, and until next time, take care.